Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can block and unblock someone on Facebook. It's pretty simple, so follow the steps. Before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to block someone, first what you need to do is go to their profile. So let's say I want to block this person called Kamlesh Shah over here. What I can do is click on it. Once I do that, it's going to bring me to his profile. And on his profile, what I can do is click on the three dot right beside his profile and it's going to take me over here. And over here you can see this option called block. I can click on block and click on block again and this person has been blocked. Now once you block somebody, what's going to happen is now I'm not going to be able to see his profile or see his pictures, see his story or anything. He can't even call me, he can't message me or anything. That's what blocking does, alright? Now in order to unblock somebody, what you need to do is click on the menu icon, which is going to be on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're over here at the top where it says like the search icon, click on the search and search for block. B-L-O-C-K. Once you search for block, it's going to show you this option called blocked people. You want to click on blocked people. And all the people you have blocked on your Facebook is going to be shown over here. And this place is also known as block list. So I have only blocked one person, Kamlesh. That's why it's only showing me one. So what I need to do in order to unblock him is right beside his name, there's this option called unblock. Click on unblock and click on unblock again and the person has been unblocked. Now before unblocking somebody, make sure to remember this. If you unblock somebody, you cannot block them for 48 hours. So if you're sure that you don't want to block them again, then only unblock them, because once you unblock somebody, you have to wait 48 hours in order to block them again. So that's it for today's video. That's how you guys can block and unblock someone on Facebook. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.